Hey, what's up, guys? I am in Atlanta, Georgia right now, attending the Menfluential conference. Today's day one, so while I'm a little bit dressed up right now, I'm actually wearing my Spear McKay suit. Day one's more of a dressed up kind of day, and then day two is a more casual day. But I was so busy getting ready to come down to Atlanta that I forgot to record an intro for this video. So here's the intro. Just a quick video giving you date outfit ideas, but with a twist though, featuring a sports jacket. So hope you guys like it. All right, guys, so this one is a grown and sexy look, but I want to be a little bit playful. That's why I didn't wear a tie with this. But you also want to show her that you can step it up style-wise. So crisp white shirt, a sports jacket, some slacks, and some dress shoes. The hoodie paired with the sport coat gives it a very edgy look. Not a lot of guys can pull this off. This shows your date that you can be daring, playful, and adventurous, yet at the same time, stylish. And in order to pull this off effectively, find a color within the sports jacket and match the hoodie with that. And then I paired it with some jeans and some nice sneakers. This last look is a more casual bad boy look. The Henley already gives off a bad boy vibe, but then added with the sports jacket and the sleeves rolled up, it gives it more of a bad boy look. Now, if you have really muscular forearms or you have tattoos on your forearms, you can really pull this look off very well.